Welcome to the demo of Othor AI. Othor AI is an instant business intelligence platform. Earlier, with the traditional business intelligence tools, it usually takes 6 months to 1 year to gather all your data, connect your data, then generate dashboards from that data that will help you make decisions in sales, finance, and marketing, as well as running the company. And it always required multiple team members like data visualizers, data analysts, data engineers to help you generate all this dashboard. Now with Othor AI, all these things can be done in less than 10 minutes and far better than how the traditional BI tools were doing. Let us have a look at the actual demo of Othor AI. I have logged in as an admin user of Othor AI. And if I am logging in for the first time, the first message that I will get is connect your data sources. So if I haven't connected any data sources, there won't be any narratives, metrics generated. So let us go ahead and connect a data source and come back. You can do it very simply by going to settings, then clicking on data source icon, and then connect a new data source option. So once you give all the required inputs here, then you can click on connect, the data source will be connected. Then now after connecting a data source, let's see how the dashboard will look like. Now we have got the data source of Wayne Enterprise connected. Wayne Enterprise is an imaginary organization, but very similar to data from any big company with the thousands of employees. And here you can see that immediately after connecting the data source, Othor generate narratives from all the data that are connected for the leader to very quickly understand what is happening in the organization. This is very similar to reading a business newspaper where you go through all the news to understand what just happened yesterday, the previous week, and what is going to happen in the coming days and next month. So here you can see Wayne Enterprise revenue plummets by 86.2% in a day. And you can read through a description. If you want to look at the visualization regarding this data, you can go through those visualizations. If you want to ask any questions regarding this, you can ask the questions also right here on the news, and the AI will give you the answers. If you want to share this news to anybody, you can click on the download button. You will get an instant PDF report which you can share over WhatsApp. If you like this news, you can like, and then you can retrieve it from the saved narratives at a later time. You can see the other news that AI reported. Customer satisfaction holds steady at 4.26 compared to the last month, and efficiency improves with 1.4 percentage increase in units sold per website visit. And you can see all these news generated along with the supporting visualizations. Let us look into the second feature. Second feature of Othor is chat with data. So if I want to know any information from the existing data connected, I can simply ask here, what was our revenue last quarter? So you can see that it answered the exact amount on the question asked. Similarly, you can ask many questions here. It's only imagination is the only limit. And the third most important feature of Othor is the charts. So here you can see the charts generated by Othor, and all the chart names are displayed on the left side panel, and the charts are given on the mid side panel. If I click on any of this chart, it will load the actual chart. And from this chart, you can have a look at how the matrix is performing over a time. You can also do a forecast on the data. Although does all this in real time if you have the right data connected. And the beautiful thing about this chart is none of this is created manually. All these are generated by AI automatically.